Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to upload carousel posts on Pinterest. In simple word, you can say how to upload multiple photos at one time on Pinterest. So we're going towards create pin and we have to drag and drop the images here. So these are three images. I am using uh, these three images. There are two options. If you want to create a collage, you can select this option, or if you want to create a carousel, so you can select this option. So we are going with this option here, and then click on create pin. Okay, you can see the first one is this one, second one is this one. So if you want to change the images, that first one will this and second one will be this, you can do it also, and click on done. Then you have to add some description. If you want to add some title, you can add, like I'm going to add a title here, tweets from Pakistan. Okay, if you want to add a destination link, you can add, like I am going to add my Instagram username here, instagram.com or to a chain message. Okay, this is not my ID, this is one dot. Okay, and then you click on publish. So hope you like this little tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.